Hi, everyone. Want to hide the YouTube app on your Android phone without installing any additional apps? In this guide, I'll show you a quick and easy built-in method that takes only a few moments to complete. To get started, press and hold an empty area on your home screen until the customization menu appears. Tap the settings gear icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Scroll through the available options until you find Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Open this menu and you'll see a list of installed apps on your device. From the list, select YouTube by tapping the checkbox or icon next to it. Once you've selected the app, tap Done at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. After a few seconds, YouTube will disappear from both your home screen and your app drawer, making it hidden from normal view. Keep in mind that this feature is available on many Android devices, especially Samsung Galaxy phones running recent versions of One UI. On other Android brands, the option may have a slightly different name or be located in a different settings menu. If your phone doesn't include a built-in app hiding feature, you may need to use another method, such as secure folder or a custom launcher. Hiding the YouTube app does not uninstall it or delete any of your data. Your subscriptions, watch history, downloaded content, and account information remain completely safe. You can make the app visible again at any time by returning to the same Hide Apps menu and deselecting YouTube. That's all there is to it. Your YouTube app is now hidden. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.